How to remove payjoy from Android phone. Now, before we go ahead and proceed on the specific method and how you will do this, first things first, payjoy is actually a specific application that is used to manage a smartphone finance plan that allows users to buy a phone and pay for it in installments, often weekly or monthly, without needing a credit card. So basically, you could actually remove this specific application if the phone that you purchased is actually fully paid. Just go into your phone settings. From here, scroll all the way to the bottom and then go into apps and then use the magnifying glass at the top right and look for the PayJoy application. Now, once you've found the PayJoy app, just simply hit on it, uninstall, and it will automatically be deleted into the apps that you have on your phone. That is, if you are already fully paid on the phone that you purchased. It is also helps to keep the device locked until the full payment is made and can be used to unlock it after the payment. Now, say for example, you are fully paid on that device and you are not able to remove it. Just go into Google or any browser you can use on your device and then go into the PayJoy support and hit on Contact Us. This is the first step for you to send a request that you would like PayJoy to be removed instantly in your device. Fill this out, and reason for request is to have the PayJoy app removed on your phone. And that's it. That's how you remove PayJoy from Android phone.